So this is our video presentation for the Ilocos Region, Philippines, Activity 10. Ilocos Region, Philippines boasts a variety of key attraction, including the vegan heritage, the Bangoy windmills, and La Paz sand dunes. So the facilities and services of Ilocos Region offers a diverse range of services, including various dining options, cultural attraction, and historical sites. The food choices range from local Ilocano cuisine to international cuisine like Italian, American, Korean, and Chinese. The accessibility for visitors in Ilocos Region is working on improving accessibility for visitors through enhanced infrastructure and connectivity. This includes improving road networks, airports, and seaports, along with boosting digital connectivity for better navigation and payment option. This is the purpose of Ilocos Region. Product: natural attractions, Pagudpud beaches, Bangoy windmills, Kapurpurawan rock formations, cultural and historical sites, Pauway Church, UNESCO site, Marcos Museum, Malacanang of the North, adventure tourism, sand dunes, 4x4 rides, hiking, windsurfing. Price: affordable to mid-range travel cost. Budget accommodations, hotels and homestays. Tour package range from local tricycle tours to more premium private van tours. Place: accessible via Laoag International Airport, bus routes from Manila. Key tourist hubs: Laoag City, Pagudpud, Pauway. Online booking through platforms like Agoda, Klook, and Airbnb. Promotion: Department of Tourism campaigns, Ilocos Norte, the Sunshine Province. Social media influencers and travel bloggers. Festivals like Pamulinawin Festival and Himala sa Buhangin.